All right. Okay, so this is our file explorer. So if you need to know how to pull that up, it's this one here, or you just go File Explorer, pull it up. This OneDrive is where everything should be, and in here you should have a folder called DTC, maybe 2022, or at least DTC. Then in here for year 9 we want Q, we want web, just web, and that new folder programming. And inside web, we want another folder called images. And then we want to go back. You can see you can go back here. So this is the 2 here. New folder called web project. And then inside web project, we want a new folder called images. This is for year 10. And a new folder here called fonts. Right. So this is year 9 and 10. Year 9. That's all of that for year 10. Right, so if we want to get this up and running, we want to open up something called Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So just go in the Start menu, VIS. Right, it'll have some stuff in here. Just click Dark Mode. And then what we want to do is we want to go open up our files, which I've already got open up. So if we go File and go Open Folder, not File, but Folder, you can go in here and we want to click DTC 2022. That's where we got all this stuff, and we just select folder, grab the whole thing. We've got everything in there. Now from there, we want to have a few settings set up. So we're going to go into the extensions. These extensions here is the ones I have installed. These 2 here you don't need to worry about too much because these are more for the seniors. So in terms of this here, your theme about making it all look the same, that's Atom. So you just go Atom, look it up. And then essentially you just click on it and just go set color theme. You'd install it, set color theme. So just go, yeah, okay, cool. Then the other ones we've got is the live server and tab 9. So live server is this one that lets you go live. And tab 9, basically, what it does is it auto prompts your code and makes it just basically type in much, much quicker. So it just suggests things and everything so that when you're typing, essentially it's starting to like complete things for you. That's what it's showing you. Makes life much, much easier. Right, so what we want to do is we want to work under web, specifically web. Click that, hopefully that'll work like this. Let's go index dot, no capitals, thank you very much, index.html. There we go. So it's in there. So yeah, when I did my drop down, I actually clicked on the web file and then did it. I know. Yep, so that's good. If you're not sure if it's saved in the right place in here, you can go to this right mouse click and go reveal in File Explorer. And we go web. It's in there. We don't want it inside there. If it is, so say that's happened, we can just grab this and you go Control X, which is cut. Go back to web, paste, Control V, and it will just put it there. So that's all good. Right. So web, yep, we're there. We've got this here. It's just zoom the code in a wee bit. So this is already prompting, right? But I want mine lowercase. Already finishing things for you. Right. And we go title. Closing tag. So we can just change this to my web site. This basically is what goes in the tab. Then we want a body tag, body, oops. Now see when I press enter, sometimes it just replaces it straight away because it's trying to like do the auto prompt. So sometimes it's just a little bit slow. Where did the end of my body go? Come back body, there we go. Right, so my spacing, see how my spacing's in like this? Press tab once, press tab twice. That's all we're doing. ahref equals this here. So I go index. And it's here, it's got the thing that's referring to this file because you can see the same icons. You just click that. Yep. And I want to put home in there. Now I want that one there, so you can just highlight it and Control C to copy. New line, paste, paste. Just double click here and then you can go gallery and then contact. And when this is in the way, I just click off out the way somewhere else and it gets rid of it. Right, so this here is our website and you can see this little white dot here. What this white dot means that this file has not been saved yet. So we save it and then get out calendar. We go live. So click that and mine's going to probably default to Chrome. Yours might be Microsoft Edge. So make sure you see what's highlighted down here and click on it. So yep. So that's what we got so far. Really exciting, I know. But that's because we've got to add another file to connect it for style. But if we look back, we can see here it says my website. My website. I do this. There you go. It's got the weird capital S. Right, my web project. Okay. So what we want to do is make another file. So we just click this new file up here again. And then I'm going to go styles.css. Right. HTML, which means the whole website, because the whole website is under an HTML. And then I'm going to see how this is unloaded because it's angry. It's angry because there's nothing in there. Right, and so I'm going to say background color red. Why? Because it's the shortest color I know to write. And then essentially, rather than relaunching it again, and we never launch from this page, by the way. If I try and launch it from this page, I try and force it to launch from this page, you're going to get something like this. And you're like, why have I got the folders? And the folders is in the website, is in there. So there it is there. Now, this is not red. Why is this? Because this file does not know that this file exists. And we're wanting to go basically say, you here talk to this one. Okay. So to do that, we go in here and we go link. Now the relationship of the link is a style sheet, and where we're going to find it is right next to where you are. We don't need to say go inside this folder. You just literally say just this name because it's right there. So it's like the guy is sat next to you and you're like, hey, ask Tom this. And the guy next to you is obviously named Tom. And then you just ask him. Okay. There's not me saying, hey, talk to Sarah. And you're like, there's only a guy sat next to me and I know his name's Tom. So it's not Sarah. Where the heck, Sarah, you want me to talk to? The issue, I've just made a mistake. Look at this. Styles. File name's not the same. Styles. See, this one's highlighted here because it's the actual file name. So now if I go back, well, it's all nice and red. Okay. We have got there mission accomplished.